I'm scared, Fizzy!
Ta-da!
Welcome to the Fizzy Show! Oh, it's so hot, Fizzy! I want to go home. Could you wait a little longer? I'm sure we're gonna see my favorite animal. The antelope? No, Phoebe! The lion! The king of the jungle! Aren't they a bit scary? No, lions are very special. They're fast and eat so much food. They hunt during storms. And they're the only cats who roar together. Nearly all wild lions live in Africa, so I'm sure we'll see one. Fizzy, I'm nervous. I don't want to get eaten. Hey, it's all right, Phoebe. Fizzy, look! It's a lion! Hey, it's all right, Phoebe. That lion is very far away. I'm scared, Fizzy! Hello, lion. I'm Fizzy, and this is my little sister, Phoebe. Hello! I think he's gonna eat me! Oh, wow! That lion is so cool! Fizzy! Oh no! You're right, Phoebe! Let's get home and quickly! Time for some Fizzy magic! Fizzy, Wizzy, Bossy, Boss! Oh my goodness, Phoebe! I finally saw a lion! And we didn't get eaten! Awesome sauce! Hey, Fizzy! Why don't you make a unicorn-themed lunch? Just like I did! That was cool, Phoebe. But I really want to make a lion-themed lunchbox. Yeah, a lion lunch! All right, let's get started. Wow, that's such a cool lunchbox, Fizzy! Thank you, Phoebe! I love all of the animals on it! Look! We got a lion! Oh, look! A kangaroo! And a baby kangaroo, Fizzy! Oh, look at the octopus! I like the octopus. Ooh, an alligator! Oh, I love it! That's one super cool lunchbox! Now we have to fill it with food. You're right, Phoebe. We need a hand from Miss Hands. Oh, Miss Hands.
All right, Fizzy. Why don't we make you a yummy peanut butter and jelly sandwich? We're gonna need 2 bits of bread. Yummy. Some peanut butter. And some jelly. Now let's put them together. There you go, Fizzy. 1 peanut butter jelly sandwich.
Miss Hands, could we make it a lion sandwich?
Of course, Fizzy. Let's take this big circle cutter. Push it down. Take it out.
That doesn't look like a lion to me. Wait, Phoebe, we haven't finished yet.
You're right, Phoebe. Let's draw a lion face on it. Here, I've got this edible pen for the eyes. Let's go ahead. Draw some nice round eyes. 1, 2 eyes. Now we need a nose. Now we need a big smile. Wow, what a big smile. But our lion needs some whiskers. Let's draw the whiskers on.
That's just a face, Miss Hands. Now we need to do the lion's mane.
Let's take this bright orange edible pen and put some hair around the edge of the face, like the lion's mane. One roarsome lion ready to go in your lunchbox.
Wow, it's a real lion sandwich now.
All right, let's go ahead and pop it in your lunchbox.
What else are you gonna pack, Fizzy? I know, some fruit. It's so healthy and yummy. But Fizzy, what do oranges have to do with lions?
You'll see, Phoebe. I've got a plan. Look. All right, I got these two googly eyes, and I'm gonna go ahead and pop them on an orange. Ooh, cool. Looking good, orange. Now we need to give him a nose. Let's give him a nose. Oh yeah, and a mouth. It's a happy orange. Now let's give him some eyebrows.
Wow, the orange has a face. But could we make him like a lion?
Of course, Phoebe. Let's go ahead and put some whiskers on. Cool whiskers. I got one more thing. Some gold whiskers. Wow, so sparkly. I love it.
Yay, it's a lion orange. Thank you, Miss Hands.
Let's go ahead and add our lion orange to our lunchbox. Cool.
Hey, look! These potato chips are in the shape of lion paws. Oh, what a yummy lion snack, Fizzy.
Let's put our yummy lion paws in your lunchbox.
Oops! I nearly forgot a sweet treat.
What about some animal biscuits? Look, we've got an elephant and a hippo. Oh, look, it's a monkey. Did you know that the world's tiniest monkey is about the size of a banana? And look at this alligator. Snap, snap, snap. Let's pop our animals into our pot. In you go, hippo. There you go, elephant. Let's go ahead and add our animal biscuits to your lunchbox. One yummy lunch. There you go, Fizzy. Ta-da! Oh, don't forget your water bottle, Fizzy. I think we need to decorate it, though.
Yes, please, Miss Hands. I got an idea! Fizzy, Fizzy, Fizzy! What is it, Phoebe? What about some cool animal stickers? That's a great idea! Miss Hands, can we put some cool animal stickers on my water bottle?
Of course, Fizzy. Let's take a look at the stickers and see what we got. Ooh, an elephant. Fizzy, a lion. We definitely want that one. Oh, look. It's a little pug. Yes, a giraffe and a zebra and a monkey. Oh, look how cute he is. All right, let's see if we can fit these on our water bottle. Here we go. One lion. There we go. One lion. All right, I'm thinking two more. Well, I really like the giraffe. There you go, giraffe. Looking good. And we got room for one more. Well, we've already had a tall one, so maybe not that one. Oh, that one's cute, but I think I like this one more. Let's go with the monkey. There you go, monkey. There you go, Fizzy. One water bottle.
Yay! I'm ready to eat now. Thank you, Miss Hands. Well, I definitely prefer a real lion just one more time. What's happening? How did that happen? I didn't use my fizzy magic. Oh, hello, lion. Would you like to share my delicious, yummy lion lunch?
Okay, but my family is very hungry too.
Oh, well, tell them to come too. I could finally meet a real-life lion family! Woohoo!
Danny, you found us lunch.
Rawr! This is a friend, son. You can't eat him. He is going to share his lunch with us.
Food! Food! I want more food!
But you've eaten all of my lunch.
Yum, yum, yum!
Oh dear, time for some fizzy magic. Fizzy, whizzy, bobbizzy, bop. Phew, that was close. Oh, you're so brave, Fizzy. You helped the lion family and escaped. Well, I hope you all enjoyed watching, and I hope you have a fizzy fantastic day. We will. See you